Is it a review or is it not a review? That is the question. But anyway, welcome once again to JJ's PC Build. Your boy JJ right here. Stick around, we got something for you, and we're going to get this B-roll going, so do stay tuned right here, on JJ's PC Builds. And welcome back. I guess y'all got that really ripping B-roll. But anyway, yes, we are going to do a little bit of a review on the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. But, we can't really do the review because we didn't get the card yet. But what we're going to do is we're going to give you a little commentary because tomorrow's the big day. Tomorrow, that's when the cards come out. So I'm not going to get into details until tomorrow because that's going to be on tomorrow's video, not today's. But what we're going to do is we're going to get into a little bit of a discussion about what I've been watching on YouTube for the reviews and my thoughts on a few of them. So I'm not going to show any stats. I'll do all that on the next video tomorrow when the RX 7900 XTX comes out. But I'm going to tell you what I've been hearing. This is what we're going to be doing. You're going to get, this is going to be an introduction to the next video tomorrow. But I just want to tell you what I'm hearing. Okay, what I'm hearing is this. I'm hearing that, you should make sure you subscribe and let everybody know that, this is the place to be. And subscribe. Make sure you like the videos and watch them all. We still need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours. So let's get back to it. This is what I'm hearing from a few of the reviewers and from like Tech Power Up and stuff like that. The RX 7900 XTX is going neck and neck with most of your video cards, especially the NVIDIA RTX 4080. So hands down, I think that the 7900 XTX is conquering the 4080. And it's got a few hits on the 4090 as well. It is a good runner-up card. I think what it is, I've watched a couple reviewers and they did reviews with Intel, doing it on, an Intel platform. I think where they're not grasping everything is you do it on an Intel platform, that's one thing, but you didn't do it on an AMD platform. That's another thing. Okay, I had to cut into the video for a moment just to let you know this. I want to clarify something. If you're going to run an AMD card, and I've always said this and I'm always a big stickler about this, if you're going to run an AMD processor, I prefer you run an AMD video card with an AMD processor. And if you're going to run an Intel, I prefer you run Intel with NVIDIA. Just my bag, but let's get back to the video, shall we? And that's where it comes about that I keep telling everybody. And if you watch the video of the presentation, in the video, AMD said, now you get some kind of bonus when you're running the AMD processor. So if you're running the 7950X with the 7900 XTX and running the AMD Adrenaline program, you get a boost bonus with your CPU. Get a boost bonus with your CPU. And also, too, RDNA 3 is supposed to come out fully in 2023. Now, I don't think they've launched RDNA 3 yet. I'm going to have to look at it, but it's supposed to be coming out in 2023. They got a lot of driver updates and everything else they're going to be doing in 2023. So, and when you get the AIB partner cards, and they're going to be boosting it up, everybody just sit on your hands a little bit and kind of grab your jaw, because something tells me with all this positive stuff going to be going on, you got to understand, when a new card comes out for the first time, do not, and I'm going to say this, do not expect that card to be at 100%. Do not expect it. You even know when the 4090 came out, it wasn't at 100%, because then you had to go around and go, blah, no, the drivers and this and that, with the RTX 4090. So, kind of cut AMD a little bit of slack. You all cut NVIDIA some slack, but now cut AMD some slack. They're not done. See, don't expect when these cards come out for it to be at its 100% potential. It's coming. You just have to wait for it. And kind of dry the lip up a little bit and listen to what I have to tell you. AMD has more benefits coming out in January. They are working on the perfect set of drivers. Okay? Be patient. If you're not that patient, then go over there to NVIDIA, go spend $1,200 and go spend $1,600 or go spend $3,000 on NVIDIA cards. If you can't wait to be patient to see what AMD has to offer, and they told you it's going to go from December till in January when RDNA 3 fully comes out, it's going to be a game changer. Be patient. See what AMD has to offer. They have a $1,000 card, and they're going to have all this software going with this hardware. And now if you got the AM5 platform and you got AMD's Ryzen, was it the Ryzen 9? I think it's Ryzen 9 7950X. Okay, you got that planted with some 8,000 megatransfer RAM. The new RAM that just came out, 8,000 megatransfer RAM. And you got everything clocked to the max. Do not tell me when all that comes out, and do not tell me that you cannot clock that card. You cannot clock the 7900 XTX higher than the 4090. Do not tell me that you can't do that. Okay, everybody's thinking, oh, we want to run the stock part of it. Okay, you want to show stock numbers to your subscribers. That's one thing. You want to show them performance is another thing. Okay, price to performance. Go ahead and boost it up to the max of performance and see what you get. You know, before you decide to bash these new cards, push your CPU and GPU to the max envelope and see what you get before you decide to bash it on stock. Okay, now I'm running stock. Everybody's telling me, oh, this the iGPU I got only goes up to 1900 megahertz. Bullshit. Mine goes up to 2300 megahertz. It's clocked out, and I showed you all. I'm you know what? I'm just gonna do this right. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull it up, you know, and I'm gonna show you all where I'm clocked out at. I'm just gonna do it right. And I'm gonna show you all where I'm clocked out at, so you all will see. Okay, let me turn this on for you. Let me move myself over here real quick. Okay, now look right here. Look right here where it says 2300 megahertz. Clock speed. Clock speed. Okay. Now this is an iGPU. An iGPU. Now, if you don't believe me on that, then you know what? We're going to go ahead and pull up hardware info. Sorry about that. Hardware info does that stuff. Okay. So we're going to pull up hardware info so you can see exactly right here. Right here. See where it says AMD Cheyenne internal GPU ASUS AMD Radeon Vega Cheyenne. Look where it says PCIe 4.0 X16. Make sure you look at it very carefully. Very carefully. Right here. I even bring the arrow over to you. You know. It says DDR4 SD RAM, 128-bit. 2 gigabytes. Look at this. Unified 448 shaders. That's it. That's all I have running on this. Okay. Now, that's it. That is it right there. So, think about it for a moment. Take a hot minute and think about it for a moment. Just a moment. That I'm running an iGPU at 2300 megahertz, right? So, and if I plugged in a graphics card that gives me a discrete graphics card that gives me more than 2500 megahertz, that's a bonus for me. So, do you get that right? It is a bonus. So, but all in all, I'm not going to elaborate too much upon what I'm going to be talking about tomorrow night. So, but anyway, I'm not going to make this a long video. I'm just going to say we're going to save everything up for tomorrow night. I just wanted to make this video real quick to let you all know that what I'm hearing, that the 7900 XTX and the 4080 are going neck and neck. And that's what I'm hearing, and I'm letting you all know that. So, but anyway, do stick around for tomorrow night. We're going to have a live one for you. We're going to have a good old show. So do stick around for that. But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you like my videos, make sure you subscribe to them. We need subscribers. We need video time watched. We need everything done so we can move up to the next level. You know, it takes everybody here on YouTube to give us a hand to help us become a great, place for, great information and everything else, and work towards getting, builds going and everything else. This is the future goals of this channel, is to get builds going and, to give you all more entertainment to the channel, just to say. But anyway, we're going to jump out of here until the next time and the next evening. We will see you then. Oh my god, we're still airing? What the heck? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Have a great night, y'all.